Hello! Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all safe and doing well. So today is my birthday! I am turning 27 today, which is very exciting. I like the number 7. I'm going to be going out with my family for some ramen later, so I wanted to do a quick little get ready with me while I get ready. I've already got my base makeup all done. It's kind of similar to the Decora makeup video that I did a while back, except with like a little bit extra tweaks to it. Originally, I wanted to do a Decora look for today, but I saw this dress inside my closet. I wanted to try and do a Decololita look, and Decololita is basically you mix Decora and Lolita together, and so usually you'll see people wearing like a Lolita dress and then they'll go OTT over the top with like accessories and stuff like that. I've never really done a Decololita look before, nor have I worn this dress yet, so I wanted to try and create a look based around it, because what I do when I put together my outfits, I try to stick to a theme. If I really want to wear a certain article of clothing, like today I really want to wear this dress, I use that thing as like the main point. So you'll see in like those snap you'll see in those street snaps, they'll ask like, oh, what's the point of fashion, your point of fashion, like the main point of your outfit today. And so for me, the dress is my main point. So yeah, I got this dress at OkashiCon recently. It's like one of my favorite conventions in Austin, Texas. At the convention, they were having like this late night J fashion swap meet picnic sort of thing. It was really cool. Like everybody was like in their PJs. They had these like blankets set up on the floor with little tables, and there was food. People had like their racks set up with the clothes that they were either like you can sell it or swap it, trade. And at the event, they had this box full of things, and on the box it says free. The box is basically for people to put like whatever they wanted to give away for free. And I saw this in the freaking box. So this is a Bodyline dress, and Bodyline is like one of the most like affordable brands that you can find Lolita pieces from. And lately I've been really into like reds, primary colors, and so when I saw this I was like, oh my gosh, I got so excited. I think it's brand new because it still had the tags on the dress. Thank you to whoever was giving it away, because I'm so grateful. Let's go ahead and put on this dress, and then I'll show you the rest of the things that I will be layering on for the outfit. So now I have the dress on. How you can tell that somebody's wearing Lolita is by is the word silhouette, the shape kind of the dress. There's different like kinds of shapes and stuff. So to give the dress some shape, because right now, even though this is a Lolita dress, it's not poofy. So I have this petticoat right here. The petticoat, I got it from a Taobao brand. This is from Aurora and Ariel. It was like one of the few petticoats that was available in a rainbow colorway. Now put this underneath the skirt. I'll show you the before and after of how it looks like without the petty, and then after with the petticoat. Alright, so now I have my dress and my petticoat, and now I'm gonna add on all the different layers and accessories to it. The first layer that I'm gonna be putting on top of my dress is this vest. This vest right here is going to be part of the latest collection that I'm dropping for my brand Candy Trap tomorrow, September 2nd, and I think by the time that this video is out, the collection should be out on the website. I'm in like this vest era right now. I like collecting vests a lot, so I figured I might try and make some vests for myself. So I made a rainbow one, and then I added some beads to the string, as well as these puffy pom-pom thingies. In the future I want to try and do like other colorways and stuff, but yeah, I'm really proud of my vest. So I'm going to layer it on top of the dress, and then the next thing that I have that I'm going to layer on top is this jacket right here. It is also from Bodyline. I think this might be an older piece because I got it secondhand on Mercari Japan. I got really excited when I found it because I really like the pattern that's on it. I really like polka dots a lot, and the hood has these bunny ears on it. What I like about it is that it has these like red polka dots that will match the dress very nicely. I think before I put on the wig that I'm going to be wearing, because my hair is a little bit short right now and I want to have like some even distribution up here, because down at the skirt area it's like big and poofy, so I want to have big and poofy hair too. But before I wear the wig, I'm going to be putting on some necklaces to add on to the whole like Decora part of the Decololita. I usually like to put on my necklaces before I put on my wig or any of my accessories, because if I have it all on, then I can't really like put my necklaces over my head. So the necklaces that I'm wearing today, this one I got on Taobao. This one is secondhand from Mercari Japan. This one right here is by Yoshida Beads. And this is Sugar Pop Party on Etsy. So I've got just this rainbow wig that I cut the bangs kind of terribly, but it's okay because we're gonna be covering it with hair clips. What I plan on doing is I'm gonna have like tie it up like this, but instead of using hair ties, I'm going to be using clips. I find that with wigs, trying to tie it with a hair tie is kind of a struggle. So I figured out that if I use clips, it is a little bit more manageable. I'm just gonna grab like a handful and then I will twist and hold it like that. So kind of put it over the head and I'll grab a hair clip and then just clip it in the bottom part of the twist. Is poofy. Nice. Now let's go ahead and do it on the other side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting on all of the accessories that I have. The main part, I'm gonna have this headband that I got. It has these two clippies and it sits on the head like that. So I moved the hair around a little bit so that this is more even. So the hair that I grabbed is a little bit more behind and I grabbed a little bit less, so the clip can really hold it in place. And I put the headband on. And now for the fun part, the hair clips. The process for hair clips, I kind of just like, okay, I like that. And then I just put it on the head. And I find that with the wig, since it's very purple, I'm gonna use colors that aren't purple so that it'll really stand out. But first, I want to make sure that this doesn't fall off. So I'm just gonna grab a hair clip and clip that in place, because these kinds of headdresses, they're a little prone to, like, when you do that, it'll fall forward. So now I have all of this done. I have a video on how to like put on hair clips on your bangs if anybody is interested in that. But now I'm going to complete the entire look by adding on even more accessories. So I have these like hand glove thingies that I got from Claire's, and I've also got a bunch of rings that I'm going to put on my fingers. So I made this one right here. I got the cabochon from Delish Beads and I just glued it on top of a ring base. This one is from Sakura Wantama. I don't remember the name of the brand for this one, but I will put it on the screen. This one I made by myself. This one I also made by myself. And this rainbow ring is from Claire's. And then I'm going to be wearing a bunch of like little bags and backpacks. I have these two. These are, I think it's called Kawaii Bear. And then I also have my Usahana little coin purse. And then I also have this bag that I got from Ugly Plants. It's so cute. It's like a big buddy friend. And you can put like so much stuff in it. It can turn into a bag that you can wear like a backpack. And then you can also move the hooks around so you can carry it like a sling too. And he got wiggly arms. And then for the shoes, I was thinking of wearing my platform Crocs, but I think I'm going to go with these. These are by Yosuke USA. I don't know why they have USA in the name. It is a Japanese brand, but yeah, for some reason it's called Yosuke USA. All right, so here is the completed look. I'm really happy with how it all turned out. I think for a Decololita look, please don't call me an Ida. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm definitely gonna try and do more Decololita looks in the future. But yeah, before we head out to ramen, I'm going to try and stop by Barnes & Noble because I am in the Phoenix magazine current issue, September-October issue, which is pretty exciting. Tomorrow, but by the time the video is out, my new collection from Around Candy Trap should be out. It is inspired by old school raves, so if you're into that kind of stuff, please check it out. I have a lot of things planned. I'm going to be filming the room tour very soon. I got lots of plans for like streaming stuff on Twitch, so whenever I do stream on Twitch, I usually post about it on my Instagram stories in advance. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little get ready with me. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my lovely patrons. Round of applause. Thank you so much. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.